In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your Weebly site efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're refining a design or simply want to see how everything looks before going live, previewing is a crucial step in ensuring your site is polished and professional. First, let's navigate to the free appointment scheduling software and booking app by Square. This might seem a bit indirect, but it's essential as part of the process when dealing with Weebly, which is now integrated with Square. Open your browser and head over to the Square Appointments page. This is your gateway to accessing the tools you need. Once you are on the page, locate the Sign In button, which is usually positioned prominently on the upper right side of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. If you're using Square for the first time, make sure to have your login credentials ready. For everyone else, simply enter your email and password to sign in. Remember, maintaining strong passwords is important to keep your site secure. Upon logging in, you'll be redirected to the Square dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage multiple aspects of your integrated Square and Weebly experience. Navigating through the dashboard is pretty straightforward. Next, direct your attention to the Weebly section, specifically the overview page for your site. To reach it, look for the navigation pane within the dashboard and click on the relevant link that takes you to your Weebly website overview. It's generally organized and easy to find. Within the overview, you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on this to move one step closer to where you would edit and preview your site. This page is where all the action happens, so get ready to dive into the nitty-gritty. You're almost there. Now spot the Edit Site button. This button is your friend whenever you want to make changes, big or small, to your site. By clicking this, you're entering the Weebly editor where creativity meets functionality. Finally, to preview your changes, look around for the Preview button. This feature allows you to see an exact replica of what your visitors will see, minus the drafts and edits that are visible only to you in the editor. By previewing, you can ensure that everything lines up as planned, and it gives you the opportunity to tweak as needed without fear of your audience seeing an unfinished product. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to preview your Weebly site. This step-by-step process not only ensures that your site looks great, but also functions effectively, guaranteeing the best experience for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing!